This is just not a hair butter. It is a food for your hair packed with natural herbs and oils. This DIY recipe will nourish, replace and regrow your hair faster than you can imagine. Please stay tuned and watch to the end because the magic is to come at the ending of the video. Thank you. Today I am going to show you guys how to make this powerful herbs hair butter using neem, moringa, rosemary, olive leaf, mulberry leaf, clove and hibiscus mixed with rich and shea butter, raw butter and natural oils. So guys, stay tuned. You can see that I go ahead put my 2 shea butter inside. Maybe someone may wonder, in my village or in Ghana, that is how we are doing it in my village. So this shea butter came from my village. Well, after put my shea butter inside my durable metal bowl for it to start melting, I'll go ahead and start blending my ingredients. So guys, stay tuned and watch to the end. And also don't forget, try to support me. This channel is just a new channel. Please guys, especially those who used to follow my page before, they hack my channel, they hack my account, so I cannot get access to my YouTube channel again. So this one is just a new channel, so I don't know how I can do to get my audience back again, but God is the best. I know by the grace of Almighty Allah, everything will be okay. I will get them back one by one. And if you are a new person, you have never crossed my video, please, you are highly welcome. This channel, I do DIY things, teaching people how to maintain your hair, how to manage your hair, and how to grow your hair faster. So this is what I'm doing in this channel with my little princess. So guys, let's continue. Now, after blending all my ingredients, I put 3 tablespoons and I add my road shea butter also inside, my road butter inside, and now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil inside. Olive oil also is deep moisturizing hair and regrowing hair faster. So these things, actually, if you have a high prostate hair, it will be good for you. Princess, leave it. That's what I'm doing. I have to put my eyes on my daughter. So after do everything, you have to put it aside. Actually, for double boil method, you can leave it like 35 to 40 minutes inside the water. Don't make the water to be boiling too much or the high fire. Make the fire low and leave it for like 35 to 40 minutes and put it aside. Let it get warm small before you strain it, because if you are going to leave it, it will solidify. Shea butter, is not going to be good, or you cannot even strain it. So after like this, I'm straining it. I'll still go ahead and put inside the fridge. So now you can see that I put it inside the fridge for some hours and bring it out. Now I'm about to add my natural ingredients. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey inside. Okay, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. So let's check and see the benefit of this ingredient. Neem is fighting dandruff, smoothing scalp and reducing itchiness. That's the neem. If you are using neem in your hair, whether you are using it in your shea butters or you are using it to be making resin, all is just going to work perfect for you. And when you come to look about moringa is rich in vitamins, strengthening hair, preventing breaking. If your hair, you have breaking hair and you are using moringa also, it can prevent your hair from breaking. And when you check about rosemary also is stimulating scalp, promoting hair growth and improving blood circulation. So now I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside. And when you check about olive leaf also is protecting hair from damaging. So mind you guys, there are some herbs that you can get, there are some herbs that you cannot get. If you have the herbs that you have in your hands, you can just use it. Now I'm adding my glycerin inside, vegetable glycerin. The vegetable glycerin also, you can use any type of glycerin of your choice. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Because this video, I don't want it to be too much long for people to I have the full video in other channel, but I cannot get access to it again. But I hope this one, so far how I did it, if you are going to make yours, it will not be difficult for you. So now I'll go ahead and add my essential oil, which is coconut essential oil. Please don't worry, any essential oil of your choice you have, just do what, just put it inside. And now I'm adding my Moroccan organ oil. So after everything, I mix everything together. You can see that how creamy it is. When you put it inside your hand, it's just going to be melting into your scalp. This is just a magic for hair grow. If you are growing your hair, use this thing for your hair and come back to thank me later. You can see how my hand is shining. Please guys, support me by liking, support me by subscribing, and also share it for me, okay? Please, let's grow this channel back together, because I don't know, I know YouTube is not easy, to launch channel like this. Those who are the big fans have a big channels. They are different from we those who are just small channels. 3,000 subscribers, it's also not easy even for me to get that 3,000 subscribers. Now even I lost it again. So please support me by subscribing. Thank you very much for your lovely support. I would love to see you guys in my next video. These are the ingredients, the oils that I add inside after everything. Thank you.